Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever copied and pasted a long strip of letters and numbers just to send crypto and double check it 5 times hoping it's right, today's news is going to be the change you think about blockchain usability. NEO has just partnered with FIO Protocol. That's the foundation for inter-wallet operability, and their mission is all about making Web3 more human-friendly. FIO acts as a usability layer across blockchains, working seamlessly with wallets, exchanges, and developer apps. So, what's the big feature? Human readable handles. Instead of sending crypto to something like 0x74B, now you can send it to alex@neo. Yep, just like an email address, simple, memorable, and secure. But FIO isn't just a vanity address system, it also supports payment requests, metadata, and best of all, it's cross chain compatible, meaning your handle can work across multiple blockchains. This integration is a big deal for NeoX, which is already Neo's Ethereum compatible sidechain built for scalability and interoperability. Now, developer apps built on NeoX can tap into FIO's ecosystem out of the box, and users get a smoother, more intuitive experience. For you, the end user, that means no more copy pasting wallet addresses, no need to remember which address is for which coin, a more normal Web 2 like user experience in Web 3 environments. This is also a smart move for ecosystem adoption. One of the biggest hurdles to bring new users into crypto isn't the tech, it's the UX. Neo and FIO are teaming up to make the blockchain experience look and feel more like the internet people already know. The official announcement dropped on April 28th, and it lays out how this partnership will integrate FIO directly into the NeoX infrastructure, making all FIO-enabled tools compatible with NeoX developer apps. This is the kind of foundational work that makes mass adoption possible. It might not be flashy, but it solves real problems. NeoX plus FIO protocol is a powerful step toward building a more user-friendly future for Web3. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Web3 insights, and let me know in the comments. Would you use a FIO handle instead of a wallet address? I've also dropped the full announcement link below if you want to deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay curious, stay decentralized.